Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Stitch Fix unboxing. This is my first ever Stitch Fix. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing subscription service. I've been getting really into fashion lately. Like usually that's like the last thing. I swear hair and fashion are like the last thing on my list. Like I will go out with a full beat face with my hair in a bun and sweatpants. Like I really just don't care that much about clothes. But I thought that I would start getting more into it, especially because I'm moving to a place with a colder climate and I need to start getting some things that will help me with that, I guess. But yeah, this is my first Stitch Fix, so I'm so excited to unbox what I got. Basically how it works is you set up a style profile and they kind of pick pieces for you and they send them to you. I believe Stitch Fix is $25 a month. I'll also have my referral code right here if you want to sign up for money off your first month or your first month free. I don't know exactly what the referral does. So basically you pay that money per month and then you decide what pieces you want to keep, but if you don't want to keep anything, you can send everything back. They give you a prepaid envelope or you can send the things you don't want back. And yeah, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. I actually have not looked and it's been sitting here for like a couple weeks now and I definitely want to look because I have to get this back if I don't want things. Before I get into this unboxing though, you have to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. You know you want to join the fam because this is a fun fam. I don't really have a fam name though. I should really create a fam name. By the way, I'm in the middle of filming this like crazy look for Instagram. I'm not done. I'm gonna be drawing on my face like I always do. What else is new? But yeah, let's get into this unboxing. It comes in a box like this. It's so exciting, isn't it? Oh, I didn't just show you my address, did I? No. Okay, it's quite a big box. There's so many options you can go through. There's a lot of styles that I found on the website. Like I perused that thing for a long time just to try to figure out exactly what I wanted. Looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and undo that little sticker and see. Oh, I broke it. Never not break these things. So we have the prepaid envelope. We have your stylist thought these would look great on you, and it has like a little, it's like a little envelope with, I guess, some information, which is great. So welcome to Stitch Fix. I'm sure they only send this your first time. Discover and decide, try on all the items your stylist selected for you, pair them with favorites from your closet, and use the enclosed style cards for outfit inspiration. You might be surprised by what you like once you try everything on. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. Share your thoughts within 3 days of receiving your shipment. Oops. I think I did extend it though. I think you have a way to extend it and send it back. So here are the prices and like what everything is. Ooh, I'm so excited. Wow, but the order total is quite a bit more than I expected. This is the style inspiration. That's everything that comes in this envelope. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking things out. So the first thing I have here is the Aubrey elbow patch pullover. Oh, I love it. I just saw the elbow patch. That is cute. I like it. I don't know. This might be a little too big actually. It's very stretchy, so we'll see. So this shirt runs for $54. Not sure I would pay $54 for this shirt. I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see how it looks on me. If I'm that obsessed with it, then maybe. So the only reason I probably wouldn't keep this is because the elbows are not exactly lined up with the elbow. Like, I don't know, it's like in a weird place, my elbow. I guess it is, but it just feels a little long on me. I also, like, look, that it's just too long. I don't know, my arms are a little shorter than what this is. It just feels weird. It feels like it's in the wrong place. It's also just, I can't justify spending that much money on a shirt that I'm not like completely in love with. So that's the only reason I wouldn't keep this shirt. The next thing I see is this is the Folsom crew neck knit top, and this one runs for $36. It looks quite sheer when I look through it. We'll see how it is when I'm trying it on, but if it wants to focus, hello, focus. It's like basically a very plain black t-shirt. Not sure I would pay $36 for that. To be honest, I get most of my clothes from Kohl's because they always have really good discounts and deals, and I just really like that. This one seems a little more fitted than the sweater, so we'll see. I actually really like this shirt. I think that even though the sleeves are long, because it's just a plain black shirt, I can get away with it. I actually do need / want a plain black shirt, black long sleeve shirt, like for my really creative Instagram looks that I do in the winter. I just want to be able to have a plain long sleeve black shirt, so I might end up keeping this one. $36 for their shirt, not sure about it either. I could probably find one that's just the same for a much cheaper price at like Old Navy or Kohl's or something. Next up I see, oh wow, these are the Liverpool skinny jeans. I like skinny jeans more than anything. I believe they're supposed to go up to the ankle because they do have this little ribbed ankle thing. They're gonna be way too long on me, I'm sure, because yep, they're gonna be long. That's just the way it's gonna be. And these are $88. Definitely gonna be returning these. I don't even know if I want to try them on. They're not really my style, to be honest. I get my jeans from Old Navy. I like my plain Old Navy jeans. I am not such a fan of this, especially because it's gonna be too long on me. I can already tell because when I put it up to me, it goes way past my ankles. Like, I don't know about that one. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is the Market and Spruce thumb hole. To be honest, I don't know. It's a really nice knit sweater. Yep, this is the thumb hole cotton sweater. I definitely need something like this because I'm moving to the cold. Wow, this looks so pretty. But this one runs for $78. To be honest, I might actually keep this because I need something like this anyway. I'm sorry for the sun. It's coming in at a weird angle. It's just the time of day. I need to remember that I can't film at this time, but this is what it looks like. Also, one of my favorite colors. Like, I love olive green. I'm so keeping this. This looks so cute. I've never been so stylish in my life. I love this so much. Super cute. Look at this. It's so cute. Why does it? Oh, I thought it only had it on one hand, but it doesn't. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. I'm keeping it. Love the color. Love the feeling. It feels really comfortable. This is super cute. It's like really heavy though. It's heavier than I expected. I really hate the sun right now, to be honest, but this is so cute. I look so comfortable keeping this. Love it. It's too hot for this, so I need to take this off. Oh wow, this is pretty. This is from Pink Clover. This is the Haven popcorn textured something or other. It's cut off, so I can't really tell. This is just, it seems like a plain cardigan type thing. Wow, super pretty. Might actually keep this one as well, but it seems like it might be a little too big for me. We'll see, but it feels so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It feels like it probably would feel like I'm wearing a blanket. Like, what? I am so excited. I really like this cardigan. I think it is so cute. It's so warm and comfortable, and oh my gosh, I love it. I think I'm gonna end up keeping this one. It doesn't have buttons or anything, but it feels so nice. It has pockets and it's cute. I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep it. Oh, it's hot. It's too hot for this today. It really is. The most expensive thing on this was the jeans, and then this is $78. So if I were to keep everything, it would be $215.50, which I am not okay with. I'm definitely gonna be sending back some of these things because I can't justify spending that much money. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you get Stitch Fix and if you enjoy it and what kind of style you like. Let me know which one your favorite piece was. I think mine was definitely the olive green sweater because it has like the little thumb. It's so cute. I just think the style is super cute. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe right here. You can watch these two videos if you've missed them, and just have a marathon on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, if you don't know what what the fuck? If you don't know what I could probably find one that's just the same. I could probably find one that's just the same price, or